Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. AirPlay 2 on the TV or an Apple TV makes streaming seamless. Make sure your iPhone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, since AirPlay uses local network discovery. Once done, open the Photos app, select the photos you want, then tap Share and choose AirPlay or screen mirroring. This immediately initiates the connection. Doing it now avoids extra setup later, and it explains why network parity matters for low latency, high-quality playback. Once your devices see each other, select the TV name from the AirPlay list. Choose screen mirroring if you want to navigate photos on the phone and mirror everything. Start a slideshow or tap a video to stream. Use on-screen controls on your iPhone to pause, skip, or adjust timing, because Photos sends control signals to the TV. If AirPlay is unavailable, plug a Lightning to HDMI adapter and connect to the TV's HDMI port for a wired output. This bypasses networking issues and ensures stable 1080p or higher playback. To finish, stop AirPlay from Control Center or tap Stop Mirroring in the Screen Mirroring menu, then switch the TV back to your original input or unplug the HDMI adapter. Make sure you close Photos to free memory and avoid background streaming. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Restart your Wi-Fi router and both devices, then toggle AirPlay on and off. This often resolves discovery and buffering problems. Make sure firmware and iOS are up to date, because compatibility fixes live there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.